Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Shohini Chanda and I hope you guys all are doing well. So in today's video, I have my current favorite products right here. I have few of them. Like there are more makeup than skincare, and there's also one perfume that I'm obsessed with right now. So let's begin. I know you guys have questions regarding this lip shade because it's stunning. It's by Iba Cosmetics. It's their must-have matte lipstick in the shade Friend Forever 04. Alright, let's start with skincare because I only have one. This is the product I'm obsessed with. It is a sunscreen by Wishcare. This is their Vitamin C Pure Glow Milk Sunscreen. It's ultra lightweight and also has kojic acid, soy milk peptide, licorice and hyaluronic acid. Now let me show you the texture because that's why I love it so much. Look at that. It's like a toner, milky toner. It's super like lightweight. I love the texture. It blends very easily. If you have oily combination skin, you're gonna love it because it's super lightweight. Also, it is so, you know, non-greasy and super comfortable to wear in this weather. I absolutely love this. I mean, I love this so much. I'm gonna restock this very soon because Nykaa ka sale aa raha hai and I have to restock this. It's a beautiful product. Now let's move on to makeup. So the first thing which I'm gonna talk about is the Mars foundation, and you guys know I tried it on camera and you guys have seen the coverage. I was blown away with the formula, the coverage, the shade ranges also is good. Mars is going up, and I hope they come with more shades and more new launches because they are going like crazy with the new launches and I love that. By the way, this is the Mars foundation high coverage one. My shade is 06. I've swatched all the shades and you can check that out on my previous video. And I love this product because it's super high coverage. It is going to cover up any dark circles, spots, marks, anything. Okay, because इसको जब मैंने try किया था, मैंने कोई भी color correction नहीं किया था and my skin looks so flawless. ये इसका ना high coverage होने के बाद भी the finish it gives, it's like a very nice skin like finish which doesn't feel or look heavy at all, and I really love it. You should definitely give this one a try because this is affordable as well. Moving on, this is a mascara and this went viral and there were a lot of campaigns but there were a lot of good reviews like non-sponsored, and I was like I have to try it out, and trust me, it just blew my mind. It's just so good. It is the L'Oreal Panorama Mascara. It is voluminous waterproof mascara and I love the packaging. It's golden chic, looks luxe, and also the bristles are super fine, gives you length as well as little bit of volume, but I love that curly effect it gives. I absolutely love it. And I know this is pricey but Nykaa का सेल definitely आ रहा है तो उस पर डिस्काउंट बहुत ज़्यादा होने वाला है, so check that out as well during the sale of course. But yeah, it is something that I am obsessed with right now. I'm actually wearing the foundation non-stop and this mascara non-stop, and also this is waterproof. The mascara, you have to use a oil infused micellar water or oil infused makeup remover to remove this. Okay, now let's move on to eyeshadows. Now particularly eyeshadow उतना craze अभी कम हो गया है, but this product is something very new and they are so good. It's by La Mer. This is their cream eyeshadows and they have tons of shades. I've actually bought 3 of them. So this is dark chocolate, which I'm gonna swatch every shade on my hand right here. These are cream ones and they are complete matte formula. They set and they will never go. Okay, they don't crease as well. They set beautifully on your eyelid. I love that. This is dark chocolate. Look at that pigment. I mean, it's just so good. And also ना ये dry होने में time लगता है तो you can definitely blend it अगर आपको blend करना है अच्छे से. So the next one is Sign. It's 405. It's a beautiful lilac purple kind of a shade. Look at that pigment, you guys. You have to try this one out. Also they come in different shades and the price is not that expensive. हमेशा इस पे ऑफर रहता है, so you can check it out. Next shade is Savage. It's like a dusty green cum grey shade. Here is the shade. It's perfect if I want to do a black smoky eye, and this one is perfect for everything. Like, look at those shades, it's just stunning. These are matte, not metallic. It looks metallic because these are wet, but once it's dry, it's super matte and it just looks so flawless. Alright, moving on, I have a brow pencil that I'm obsessed with, and it has been over a year, I would say. I'm trying this one out. It's the Swiss Beauty eyebrow pencil. Look at that packaging. It feels heavy, luxe, looks amazing. This is their micro precision eyebrow pencil. It comes with a spoolie and this pencil. It's nicely pigmented, not very creamy, not very drying. It's just in between, and it's just the perfect brow pencil you want because it's not that expensive as well. And ये shade एकदम perfect है मेरे brows के लिए. If you have skin tone like me or brow shade like me, you can just go for this. It is something you have to try this out, and also it comes with a spoolie, which is good. Next up is lipstick. Now these are from Tipsy Beauty. They were kind enough to send 4 shades, and I am obsessed with 3 of them. Okay, those 3 are perfect for like bare skin or with makeup as well. Now these are called on and off, and now let me show you why these are called on and off. Now you can see the packaging, it's quite long. In this side there's the lip shade and this side there's this oil. Now liquid lipstick लगाने के बाद उसको हटाना is a task, and ये product एकदम perfect है. क्यों? Let me show you. This is the shade Frisky Whiskey. It's one of my favorite shade. I love this applicator as well. Now this is the shade. Look at that. And back पे है इसका oil, which is meant to remove the lipstick. Look at that. I love this applicator as well for oil. It's kind of stiff, but it's silicone. And क्या करना है, सिर्फ लिपस्टिक के ऊपर जब उसको हटाना है, लिप ऑयल लगा लो and wipe it away with a tissue or maybe a cotton pad and it will be off. So I love this concept क्योंकि कभी कभी ऐसा होता है ना, लिपस्टिक लगाने के बाद खाने के बाद थोड़ा सा पैची लगने लगता है, एंड दैट्स व्हेन दिस विल बी हैंडी क्योंकि आप लगा के पोंछ के फिर से आप रीअप्लाई कर सकते हो. It's the best. Now I do have few shades which I'm gonna swatch. So first let's swatch Rum Pum Pum. It's a viral shade and everybody loves it. I love it too. It's a beautiful brown nude shade right here. Look at that. These formulas are so good, very comfortable, very like light as air, I would say. They don't feel like I'm wearing too much lipstick. It's not heavy at all. Next shade is Spiced Punch 04. It's another favorite of mine. I love this shade. It's like a very corally kind of a nude shade that complements all the Indian skin tones. Now this another shade is a bright pink shade. Not everyday sort of shade, but it's quite beautiful as well. Look at those pigment. Oh my god. So here are the 4 shades. Let me know which shade you like the most. Now next up is a viral product again, and that is the Vanilla Caramello perfume. Now I was eyeing this product for such a long time क्योंकि मैंने इतना viral reels and videos देखा है इसके ऊपर, but this was out of stock and Plum was kind enough to send it out and I love it. It smells delicious. I'm just gonna spray a little bit and it smells delicious. It's vanilla, it's caramel, it's pistachio. I love that sweet, caramelized, delicious. Oh my god, I cannot explain how beautiful this is. Also, it lasts very very long. अगर आप sweet fragrances पसंद करते हो इसको तो आप जल्दी खत्म करने वाले हो. Alright, those were the products I'm currently obsessed with. Let me know what you guys think about the products I shared and what is your favorite lip shade right now. Let me know in the comment section below. Thank you guys for watching. Give this video a big thumbs up if you haven't already and share this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I hope to see you guys again on my next video. Till then, take care. I love you all. Bye bye.